Hey guys, I'm Shawn in the studio today at Waco, Texas. Going to teach you how to play a Beatles song called A Day in the Life. Let's take a listen. All right, guys, welcome to webpianoteacher.com, our online community where we gather together to learn, play, and share the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all you guys out there who are trying to learn to play piano online. You can do it if you pick the right lessons and you know how to practice. I'm going to help you to do that today. Let's get to the song here. All right, so we have a part one lesson here, all right, just two measures. In our part one, we do teach the whole thing on webpianoteacher.com along with many, many other Beatles songs and a lot of other songs you like probably as well on there. But if you are a member, you can download the sheets for this and zoom in. Look how high definition that is. Even when you zoom in, that's great to be able to do that during your practice time. All right, we do have a Kawai MP11 SE in the studio today using the pop piano sound. I like to use that whenever, I don't know, we have maybe a guitar strumming like this beginning is. It has just a little bit of a twangy edge to it, which helps the tone for this style of song. All right, as we get to the board, there is piano in this, and I show those piano parts, but whenever there's a lack of piano, as far as the person not playing, or maybe they turn the piano down in the studio when they're recording, I have to use other things to fill in. So I'll use the guitar parts to do that, or whatever else I have. But the simple guitar starts off with, and to do that little kind of a boom chuck kind of sound, we're just going to do this. We're going to keep it simple. Use a G and a D in the left hand, and then a B, D, G in the right. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and then that's a G chord. And then count 3. We're gonna go to a B minor here, and I do hear a da-da, little hammer on is what it's called on the guitar, and so we're gonna emulate that here in the left hand. We're gonna do B and E with our 5 and 2, then I'm gonna go to F sharp with my thumb. And then B, D, F sharp in the right. And I only hear it on that first one. So from the beginning, 1 and 2 and then we go to E minor. I think there are actually maybe 2 guitars kind of going on in this. If you listen with headphones, you can really hear what they did on these old mixes that they did. You can hear kind of a second guitar in there. On the left hand, I hear that. I hear another hammer on, so D to E. And the only way I think to do that is just to go thumb, thumb. Excuse me, and I think it works just fine. E, B with 2, 5. My thumb's going to go D, E. Just don't do it too fast. A lot of times we see something like that and we get worried about it, so we actually make it harder on ourselves and try to go too fast. It's just da-dum. That's as fast as it goes. So then the right hand comes in with G, B, E with 1, 2, 5. So for the first 2 counts, 1, 2. Now counts 3 and 4. And by the way, I'm pedaling every time my left hand plays. That's going to fit the instrument that we're trying to copy, the guitar. Pedal, pedal. Here, I'm adding a D to the mix. What does that do? Well, it makes it an E minor 7. This is an E minor, E, G, B. If I add a D in there, that makes it a minor 7th. Okay, for the last part. So right here, it's... So let's do all of it now. Ready, and go. So, there we are. There's our part one. If you like it, all the rest of the lessons, again, are on webpianoteacher.com. Hope to see you there. We have a lot of fun there, just learning songs and playing. Check us out on Facebook as well. Just do a Facebook search for webpianoteacher.com. Talk to you guys later.